Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video, we will learn about how to find out UTM zone of any image, raster or vector which has been in GCS coordinate system. If you don't know the UTM zone, and we are not connected with the internet, we can find it in ArcGIS itself. Just go to add data and go to C drive. Go to program files, click on ArcGIS, click on desktop and go to reference system and select utm.shp, add. Now just go to this UTM shapefile, go to properties, right click properties, display, go to labels, label features in this layer, click on this and click on select label field zone and increase its font size, apply. Okay, so you can find out in zone which UTM zone my image is falling. It is in 43 north and UTM zone 43 north. See, you can find out from here. It is the north, so it is UTM zone 43 north. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Keep supporting Supreme GIS.